Today's prompt is hope. I think this is the most relevant prompt in these tough times. When coronavirus, that is the COVID-19, has kept us all inside homes and we have lost so many people around the world. Personally, even I was not an exception to this pandemic. Even I lost a very near and dear person. Unfortunate these times, but hope is the only one thing that we are holding in our life. I could have sketched hope in different ways. We have hope in everyday life. Every positivity that we have inside ourselves is a hope. But the one sketch that I felt is apt in this time and relates to everything was this one. So this is a plant that grows even in the desert, in fact, an infertile land. So this represents a lot in our life. That's why I have sketched this. This looks easy for sure. This was not much of a hard illustration, but this was really close to me because I had this idea. I saw this photograph of a plant growing in an infertile land, and that was green. So I did not show the green part here because I'm doing Inktober, so I wanted to do it all in ink. But the feeling of hope that comes out was real. So a plant where nothing grows there, that is anything positive and everything that hope represents. Thanks to the 11th day prompt of the official Inktober list of 2020, that I could also remember the situation that we all are in, and there are so many corona fighters. We have doctors, nurses, cleaning staffs, police officers, bankers, daily employees, people who bring products to our houses so that we do not need to go outside. Everyone, each and every person who have been there through this time, and we still are going through it. So even after 5 years, when I look back to this year's Inktober, I think the 11th day, that is today, will really remain very special because this is the day I sketched hope. So hope is something I have always believed in. Me being a lover of the idea of positivity in everything that you do, I feel even hope is present in every small YouTuber's life too, because we have this hope of growing someday. So hope is related to so much. See, when I talk about hope, it brings out growth, right? So this sketch, this illustration, that this one represents hope. I was very happy with the result, and I'm not sure how you felt. I would love to see all your drawings on hope if you have uploaded on Instagram or any other social media, and if you definitely have a YouTube channel and you have uploaded hope, then please comment down below. I would love to see what exactly you felt about hope and how you think we should represent hope, because as I am reiterating, hope is the one thing that we need the most. It's still 2020 and we want things to be really, really good in 2021 at least, because as far as the World Health Organization or different scientists are concerned, we are still unsure of the vaccine or any kind of a remedy to this disease. And in fact, unfortunately, there are many countries who are getting higher number of patients, even more nowadays. It's a complete year gone, but the one thing that we hold on is hope. With that hope in mind, I would expect you guys to like this video if you have liked it and subscribe to my channel. See you tomorrow again. Bye.